Hi guys, I wanted to shoot you another video for a coin that's come across my radar today. And these coins that I've been showing you recently, I don't spend lots of money on them. I just buy $20 worth, okay? And if I feel as time goes on, as I watch the coin, if I feel it's worth buying a few more, then I do. But please note that I'm not a financial advisor and I'm not recommending that you go out and buy any of these coins. I'm just showing you the things that I get into. And what I use to help me to find the coins is two websites. The first one is Jonny Blockchain and Zookle. These are both sites that I use for my trading activity to help me place trades and to keep an eye on the crypto markets, as well as I watch the news and I subscribe to lots of channels. So I want to first take you to a Twitter account for Zach here. Now Zach is head of listings for Coinbase. So if this guy says something about a particular cryptocurrency, then I take notice, okay? Now what I want to do is play you a little snippet of a podcast that I watched for an hour, or listened to I should say, and that podcast is called, it's on a website called Trading Places. So I'm almost at the end of this podcast, which is the last minute or so, okay? And it's this is the name of the podcast if you want to look it up. I'll leave the links in the description. And let's just play this to see what Zach says. Now he's asked a question, okay? So let's listen to the question. Let's just see if I've got the right place.
First one I would want to know is, if you could only buy one crypto asset for the next 15 years, what would it be?
So the easy cop-out answer there is Bitcoin. And then the second easy cop-out answer there would be Ethereum. But like I said, that's where it gets interesting. What's after that? Maybe I think that Decred is really interesting. So Decred is getting a lot of traction recently. They have a pretty passionate technical community there. Yeah, I think Decred's a really interesting project.
So you notice he said there Decred. Now this particular coin I don't know anything about, but I went and checked it out. Okay, and I've come over to Jonny Blockchain, come up to coin stats, and then once I'm on the coin stats, I just pop in the DCR, which is for the Decred coin, and here it is. Here it's on one blockchain. Okay, it's in 24 markets. So let's just go and have a look at Decred by clicking on the link over here. At the top of the page, you can go and visit the Decred website, and there's a few places you can follow. You can read the white paper, all that sort of stuff. But it's an interesting coin, to be honest, an interesting coin. And if I look over here of where to trade it, I can see that you can do all of these exchanges and all the wallets are enabled. So this is a coin that I'm going to spend $20 on, okay? Purely because Zach happened to mention it on a podcast. No other reason. As I say, I don't know nothing about this coin, but for me, I think it's worth $20. I'm going to punt $20 on it, and I will show you how I do that in another video where I actually buy some of the coin. Now, a lot of people are asking me, where can I get some free coins? So I just wanted to shoot you on the end of this hangout of where you can actually get free coins. Now all the content that I supply on this channel is completely free, so in the link there's a link that says buy Jeremy a coffee. So if you wouldn't mind buying me a cup of coffee and supporting my channel, that would be fantastic. And if you like this type of content, then make sure you click on the subscribe button and then click that old bell icon there, and that will get you notified when I upload a new video. And please give me the thumbs up. Kick that YouTube algorithm, I think it's called, up the backside and give me a thumbs up. So now let me tell you where you can get lots of free cryptocurrency. So I want to take you to a site that's called Airdropcom, I think it is. I'll leave the link in the description. I don't get any, there's no affiliate link or anything there, but they've got an airdrop that's just been posted for Bitcoin Classic, and it tells you there, gives you the instructions of what you need to do if you want to get those free coins. I do a load of these free coins, and I'm often getting free coins. So if I go over to Airdrop's homepage, then what you'll find on the homepage, there's a ton of airdrops that are going out, and basically all you need to do with most of these is is join their Facebook. You see, look here, you've got to join their Twitter, on their Telegram, and I think it says an email address needed, and you'll get $10 worth of their coin, you know. So there's lots of coins here. So that's called Airdrop, and I do believe it's airdrop.com. Let me just check that. Yeah, as you can see there, it's airdrop99airdrop.com. Okay, airdrops.com. But I'll leave the link in the description, and please remember, if you want to support my channel, buy me a cup of coffee, and make sure you give me the thumbs up and click that subscribe button. You have an amazing day, and I'll see you in another video. Bye now.